Hi, Avnish.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Vijay. Hi, Chandan.
Hello, Anshul. Hi, Anish. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay, Anish. So, all set. Shall we start our discussion?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please turn on your camera.
Okay. Am I visible, sir?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Anish, first part, tell me about yourself.
My name is Avnish Tiwari. I'm originally from Ayodhya, currently residing in Gurgaon. I've completed my schooling from Lashkari Preparatory School and earned a BCA degree from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Awadh University, Ayodhya. During my academics, I learned basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, core Java programming, basics of Spring Boot, and MySQL. And apart from this, I like to play piano, football, and listening to music. This is all about me, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So, in college, have you done any project?
Yes, sir. I made a project that is a student management system.
So, what are your roles and responsibility on that project? You did by your own or in group you had done?
Sir, it was a group project,
Okay. So,
and
what you did in that project?
sir, basically, in that project, firstly, it was made using React.js and Spring Boot. Project was generated from Spring Initializer. We selected the Java version, type, and package name. After that, we selected some dependencies, that is Spring Data JPA, Spring Data JPA, Spring Web for Spring MVC, and embedded Tomcat server, Spring JPA for our database, and after that we just initializes that package and opened it in IntelliJ IDEA. After that, we created four sub packages inside that. First one was controller. Second one was repository. Third one was entity, and fourth one was service.
Okay. Fine. So you worked on both parts, front end and back end, or you worked on back end and front end
Uh,
separate?
Sir, I actually helped in both, but basically I helped in backend part and for some database queries also.
So what is MVC?
Sir, MBC is basically model view controller. It is a type of architecture which divides our application in three parts. That is model, view, controller, and model, which consists of our application's business logic, and view is the UI that is displayed to the user, and controller act as a bridge between both of them.
So what is the rules to create controller? What would be the key point if you're creating controller?
Sir, for creating a controller, firstly we need to create a package, and inside we need to create a class, and we need to assign that class as a notation, that is add controller, or
Okay.
we can also add rest controller. Rest
What is
controller,
the difference between REST controller and controller?
sir, controller returns HTML views and rest controller returns JSON.
Okay, fine. So all right. So in your project, you worked in the backend and as a front end also, right? So you have basic idea on HTML, CSS, JavaScript also.
Yes, sir, I do have.
So you did course some you did self studies to learn these things.
Yes, sir.
What you did course self study.
Sir, firstly, in the summer, I have completed 45 days of summer training internship. So from there, I
Mhm.
just began learning those things. But for making it more clear, I studied it myself.
All right. So how comfortable you are in core Java?
Sir, in Core Java, I would like to. Yes, sir, I am pretty comfortable with this.
All right, fine. So can you tell me what is the use of parameterized constructor?
Sir, parameterized constructor is used when we want to create object and want to give some parameters to them. Like we are creating any object and we want to name it, or suppose we are creating any student and a student object and we want to provide by default name and age, so we can use parameterized constructor.
Okay. Got it. So, when we need to use private variable and when we need to use public variable, can you define?
Sir, basically private variable we use for privacy and security concerns, and also we use private variables to achieve encapsulation,
Mhm.
and we can use public variable by default whenever, like generally we use public variables.
Okay. What is the calculation?
So encapsulation means wrapping up all the properties and functionalities of any object into a single unit.
So this is called encapsulation.
Yes, sir.
Then what is class?
So class is a blueprint of object. Basically, it is a collection of variables and methods.
Okay. Right. So have you heard about? Okay. Do you have any idea about the latest feature introduced in Java 8 and 17?
Uh, Sir, from Java 8, one feature I know, that is in interface, we can also write some concrete methods as well. Before Java 8, we were only supposed to write abstract method in interface. And I don't know about sir, Java 17 feature.
Why we need to use left expression?
Sir, as far as I know that it is easy and simple to use.
Easy and simple.
Yes, sir, I'm not much sure about that.
Okay. Oh, all right. So exception handling. Have you done the exception handling in your project or in your program?
Yes, sir, I have done the exception handling.
So why we need to do exception handling?
Sir, because if there is an error in our program, it will crash our program or it will break the normal flow of our program. Instead, we can use exception handling so that suppose we are getting an error anywhere and we are not doing exception handling. So our program flow will break, and the part where the error exists, after that, if all the other things are good, but still that will not run due to that one error. And if we perform exception handling, so for that particular error we will get some message printed or anything we can do, and after that our other part of program will flow smoothly. This is why, sir, exception handling is needed.
Okay. So can we write multiple catch
Yes, sir, we
in
can
one
write.
try block?
Yes, sir, we can write multiple catch blocks.
So what would be the order of exception?
Sorry.
What will be the order writing catch block? Multiple catch block. Is there any order or any order we can write?
Sir, we can I think the first error that we will get, firstly, we need to use the catch block for that. After that, if there are any other possibilities like down in our code, then we need to use another catch for that block.
Do you know exception hierarchy?
Exception hierarchy. No, sir, I haven't heard about this.
Okay, fine. So why we need to use finally block? Do we really need?
Sir, finally block is used for cleanups.
If I don't use it,
Sir, if we don't use, then I don't think so. There would be much effect. We can also sometime not use that finally block. It is not like required.
fine. So I've heard about this keyword. Have you used ever?
Sir, which keyword?
This keyword.
This. Yes, sir.
Uh,
This keyword is basically used to refer to the current object that is accessing any particular things.
Mhm. Is there any other use?
Uh, as of now, sir, I use this keyword. This is for only this purpose.
Okay, fine. And you said you learned HTML, CSS, right?
Yes, sir.
And JavaScript also you have with basic knowledge.
Yes, sir.
So, what purpose you use JavaScript in your project?
So JavaScript basically is a scripting language, and we need to use JavaScript for interactive UIs like some special effect or dynamic changes in our web pages. We use JavaScript.
Can you tell me few of the events which we have used?
Sir, on click event, on reload event, on mouse over.
Okay.
Should I elaborate all these events?
No need.
Okay, thank you.
No. So, which database you guys use in your project?
So MySQL.
MySQL, right?
Yes, sir.
So, I wrote the script and all, or just you guys use as a JPA to interact the database? Do you have knowledge of writing the script?
Yes, sir. We do have the knowledge of writing queries as well, like manual query as well.
Right. So, you know tables, functions, procedures, what is right?
Sorry?
Do you have knowledge of the tables, functions, procedures?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about this?
Yes, sir.
What?
I know about tables, functions.
Okay. Use functions.
So basically, functions are used to specify some conditions to select or update our record.
So same thing we can do in code also, right? So I need to go in database.
Uh, Sir, because to interact with databases, there is separate language, and we cannot like suppose let's take an example. Our computer knows programming language, so we cannot use English or Hindi to instruct the computer. This is why for database we use structured query language, and we need to use function in that way.
No. What I'm asking, in Java code also you can write select query, right?
Yes, sir.
Select query and you can execute it.
Yes, sir.
So you are saying inside function will write select query. So what is difference between these two?
Sir, inside function, there are some aggregate functions in SQL like count, max, minimum. These are used to basically some count is used to count the number of rows or rows in our database table, and max is used to find the maximum value from any row, and min is used to find the minimum value of any row, like the minimum salary of any employee or maximum salary, and upper function is used to convert the varchar type into the uppercase, and lower is as well as used
Okay,
to.
okay. You are saying about the stored function. Okay. So I was asking for the custom functions which we are creating. Have you created your custom functions?
uh, can you please, sir, give me an example, like I,
Custom functions, for example, I'm going to create one function. That function will do some activity like select, update, whatever. But inside function we cannot do update inside. We can do select query and all.
okay,
So like that, my own function. You have not created your own function in database.
sir, that function I don't think so I have created. I just executed queries.
Oh, okay, no problem. So what is the purpose of using tables?
So table are used to basically store our data in the form of rows and columns.
Okay. Uh, let's say I've heard about primary key. What is the use of primary key?
So primary key is used to basically identify each record uniquely in the table.
So in table can we have two primary key?
No, sir. One table can only have one primary key, and it can have more than one foreign key.
Okay. Right. So in database we have command like delete, drop, truncate,
Yes, sir.
right? So can you tell me the difference between delete and truncate?
So truncate command is used to delete all the records from the table, but the structure remains the same. And using delete, we just delete our database object. The whole object will, like, the structure will also be not there.
Okay. So you are saying suppose I am writing delete table A,
Okay.
delete table B, something like that. So you are saying that table itself will gone away.
Yes, sir.
If I do truncate them,
Sir,
table will
table
exist.
will stay there, remains the same, but the records inside that table will be deleted.
Okay. So JDBC.
Yes, sir. I do have knowledge of JDBC.
Okay, fine. So you know right how to connect with database and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me few of the parameters required to connect database?
Firstly, we need URL, username, and password from our database, and we'll need to load the necessary drivers using class.forName.
Mhm.
After that, we need to make a connection with sorry, we need to register the drivers. After that, we need to make a connection, and then we need to prepare a statement, and then we can execute query and process the result. After that, we need to close the connection.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay. So in resume you have mentioned one thing. Okay, fine. So in Bootstrap you use CSS Bootstrap from okay, right? So you mentioned like server. So server, which server you use? Tomcat.
Yes, sir. Tomcat was, sir,
So
by default embedded in Spring Boot.
so okay, that was embedded. So how you guys give a demo? You have developed and you have given like presentation with embedded server. You have not idea about the external server?
Sir, basically, we added the dependency, Spring Web dependency. With that dependency, the we got the embedded server in our project.
I know that is. What I'm asking, suppose you created project, right?
Yes, sir.
So you need to deploy somewhere, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
you are using inside Eclipse itself. So if you're closing your Eclipse, then your project gone. That will get stopped, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is why I'm saying if you're not used external server, external Tomcat.
Basically, sir, after the completion of the project, this was
Uh-huh.
the task of some other guys in our team, so I don't know much about that.
So when you have not used Tomcat server, right? External Tomcat server, how to deploy, how to start, how to stop.
No, sir, I don't know about deploying a server.
Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, okay. So are you willing to learn new things?
Yes, sir, I'm willing to learn new things. Will enhance my skills as well.
Okay, fine. Okay, then we are done. Do you have any questions? question?
Uh, yes, sir. I do have a question. That is, if selected, like, what part of work I will be doing?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Sir, I'm saying if I got selected, what part
Mhm.
of work I will be doing?
Everything you have to do.
Uh,
Front end, back end,
okay. And
database.
for backend, I will be using Java, and for frontend, what like some frameworks like Angular, React, or anything else?
JSP, JavaScript.
Okay. Okay, sir. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I shall update you the status.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. मार भाई
The motherfucking Google